Hi everybody. I'm a bit of a sad panda today. I was hoping to have a beautifully wound stator core for y'all, but I don't. I ran into some trouble. Um Pretty quickly I was having trouble getting around on the bottom side here, overlapping. So my solution is going to be to do 3 loops around rather than the 4 that the guy on the video suggests. Um, I think he might be a bit of a pro, and I am not, and he can get 4 lines on this size structure, and I can't probably. So I'm hoping that 3 lines will save me. But I'll take this opportunity to show you guys a little bit of what's going on here. So I've got these 3 leads here. These are each separate wire, coming from different spools, different cables, and they are different phases, and I've marked on the blue painter's tape A, B, and C. So each one of these will go into my speed controller, into a separate channel for A, B, and C. And then the other ends of these long cables that are coming out here, those will all get soldered together in some sort of like neutral junction. There's a little bit of magic that happens at that point. That's where the wizards and the sorceresses and the gnomes all get together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unwind this work here and redo it with only 3 loops. Hopefully I'll be a little happier the next time I'm posting.